Hey y'all, so we back. It's Saturday and we up to some shenanigans again today. We at Dollar General. I know y'all about sick of me and Dollar General. Hey, well, I'm gonna keep throwing it at y'all till y'all get it, okay? Because I want y'all to win too. But today we're not doing anything complicated. I know, I get it. Some people don't want to do that coupon stuff. It seems complicated. It's not when you actually get in there and start practice doing it. And hey, if you mess up when your total come up on the register and you don't want it, just say I changed my mind and walk away. Ain't no shame in that, okay? You might feel some kind of way. I know some people get embarrassed at the register and pay it anyway, but you don't have to. You don't have to, okay? But we're doing something simple today. I just want to show y'all, like, if you go to Dollar General during the week, even on the weekend, like a Sunday or Saturday, and you get these 5 off of 25 at the bottom of your receipt, I want to show you how you can use this. Even if you don't want to do the coupon thing, you just want to use this to get some of the things that you need or some of the things that you want. You can do that too to lower your out-of-pocket. Now today, my out-of-pocket ain't gonna be low because I'm coming specifically for something that I need, and I'm gonna use what I need, the fact that I gotta purchase something that I need, plus this to get something that I want for almost free, okay? So if you don't have these receipts, I got 2 of them. But if you don't have, you can only use 1 per transaction though. 5 off of 25. So you gotta get your total up to $25 before any coupons, okay? And before any discounts, store discounts, okay? So if you don't have these paper receipts, you have one on your app, okay? So just go in your Dollar General app and clip the 5 off of 25, okay? And I also want you to clip, well, I'm gonna show you when I get in store what I'm gonna clip, okay? Let's go do this. Just watch me, guys, and you'll see how easy it is. Watch a few videos. If you don't watch mine, watch somebody else's. It is what it is. Watch the person on YouTube that you can relate to and that you can understand as they go through their process. I don't care who you watch. Just watch, learn, and go do it, guys. It gets easier and easier, and sometimes you don't even have to think about it if you've been doing it for some time. Okay, so let's go in here without further ado and see what I get. I'm gonna buy something that I'm gonna buy anyway, something that I need, or something that I can use in the future to get something that I want. Let's do it. So there's a sale on this Scott's. If you buy $15 worth, you get instantly $3 off. Okay, but we're trying to get, because we have this instant savings, that means we gotta get $28 worth of stuff, because that'll come off before the 5 off 25 come off. So let's grab 3 of these, $5 each, gets us to 15, and really that instant savings coming off $3. So that'll make that $12. Okay. If we was to stop right there, we already saved $3. But we're not gonna stop right there. We're gonna get something up else to make our total come up to $28. So let's do that. These are 4 for $12. These specific ones, these are the 6-pack. So we're gonna grab 4 of those. Yep, it's gotta be those specific ones though. As you can see, the shelves already looking empty. It's a 3-day sale, 4 for $12. So remember, we stack coupons on top of promotions, sales, discounts, whatever we can, okay, to make the deal even sweeter. So we got those. Remember, we got the tissue for 15. We got this for 12. Okay, so that brings us to $27. Remember, we need $28 worth of stuff because of that $3 instant savings. So we gotta find something else for $1. Let's go to the dollar aisle. So we're gonna grab something from the dollar aisle that we can use, okay? I'm gonna grab these paper plates. Can always use paper plates, right? These are $1. So that gets us to our $28. Now, when we get to the register, check this out. Go gonna go down. We got $15 off of tissue, $12 off of soda, $1 for plates equals $28. That $3 instant savings will come off the top, leaving us with $25 to pay. We got a 5 off 25 coupon that leaves us at 20. And then if you clip the $2 off of 2 app coupon that's in your app for the tissue, that leaves us $18 plus tax. See, we got something we wanted, which was the sodas, by buying something that we needed, which was the tissue, and using that 5 out 25. And then we also used a $2 coupon for the Scott's tissue that you can find in your DG app. Remember, what we went in there to get was $15 alone. The tissue was $15, right? 3 times 5 is 15. We walked out of there paying $18 plus tax. That's how you do it. And if you look at it that way, basically we paid an extra $3 for what? 4 6-packs of sodas? Not bad. Have a great day, guys. I know you can do it. Go out and do it.